Hi, welcome to another edition of Mad River Outdoors. We're up on the property today. The goal is to have the original owners come back and check out the property with us. They're going to show us the breakers, the expansion tank, the pumps, all the light switches, which miraculously they were hidden. I guess there's a lot of electrical issues that are going on with the property, so we're going to have an electrician take a look at that stuff. So the owners have come up and they've done a quick walkthrough with us, and we did learn quite a bit about the property. We learned that the electrical box that's right here behind me is probably not even hooked up to anything. There's another box that's in the barn that controls just the barn power, and I guess there's another box behind the barn that controls everything on the line. So that's pretty interesting. This is a chimney that fell off the house, which is why we now have to, she said that a tree fell and took the chimney out. Now, if you remember last week, this was all green. Looks way different now. This is another chimney. You see it goes up the side of the house. The roof is cut. Ooh, wonder if we got any snakes. Let's see. Oh, there's that black snake. Anybody know anything about snakes with a yellow head? He's pretty though. I don't want to crush him. Probably should have left him alone. Oh. Come on, get you going. Oh. Hey, anybody want an elephant statue? Maybe it's worth money. So this chimney is what that big thing is outside. We were told that the pump in here does not work. There's a pump upstairs that might work. So who knows? found a turtle. Oh, he's fine. If he was alive...
Mike, he just peed on you.
No,
He's fine. I told you be careful.
that's hilarious. I've never seen a turtle do that.
And I'm not sure if I got it on camera or
I
not.
hope we got that on camera.
I turned it when it happened. I don't know.
He just went.
Well, we had to go check out a turtle.
As you can see, we're going to try to burn some stumps out tonight with all the excess wood that we pulled from cutting down the tree that was under the power line. We're going to cut some wood up, have a fire, grab some food. It's been a long day. It's a nice way to end the night with a nice fire. I hope you can do the same. Thanks for joining us here at Mad River Outdoors, and I hope you come back next episode. Talk to you soon.